Hey, welcome back to my channel. First, do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so 5 years ago I've posted my first serious video. I was really excited to start this YouTube shit, but it's really not good. And I'm not gonna turn this video into a rant, but there's way too many things I hate. For example, my channel does bad because YouTube has this idiotic shit where the location is critical. And I'm not making any money, I'm actually losing money because I pay for ads. And I still didn't get to 1000 subscribers, which to me is a huge fail. Anyway, I'm not gonna cry about it, but this might really be the last video I post. So this is going to be a classic unboxing. I have 10 Oakley sneakers here. Of course, I'm not going to keep them all, relax. 6 of them are already for sale. And Oakley is my favorite brand right now, and here I also have my new favorite sneaker. And if you're curious, the average price per sneaker was insane. I'm not going to tell you what it is because most of these are for sale. So this is the Edge Icon. These are golf shoes which I'm currently testing, and yes, I will wear golf shoes casually. Get back to me when you stop wearing that trash Jordan 1, which is a basketball shoe. These are sick, a cool interpretation of the Oakley Flash but with lugs. I might post a review, I don't know. And of course, I couldn't keep these stock, I had to paint this section and do something different in the back. And because I like that silhouette, I also had to get the Edge Flex, the laced version. These look similar, but they are so different. These are very comfortable. I had to add chunky rope laces on these, come on. And I had to get another pair in size 10 US. This colorway is really sick and these are for sale. But moving on to the Chop Saw, I love this sneaker boot, but these are a bit too big for me because of the thick padding and the extremely thick tongue, which I do like, it's such a 2000s thing. These are for sale, size 10.5 US. And now all the remaining sneakers are the Flash and the Flash sandal. I do know that this sneaker silhouette is not for everyone, but I really love it. And I really like the black toe cap on these and that the pods on the outsole are a different color. Also, is this really ostrich leather? Anyway, these are for sale. It doesn't really make sense for me to keep them. Size 10.5 US, these fit tight. But I am going to keep these, although there's a huge difference between these and the branded collaboration. The midsole on these is way harder and the insole is way thicker. I still like them, the upper is a really nice mix of suede, nubuck, mesh and neoprene. Moving on to the regular Flash in this sick lily pad and white colorway. This also has the softer midsole and this is also for sale in size 10.5 US. This is the Flash Orbital, my new favorite sneaker.
Wow.
These have the classic ovals through the upper, but I can already feel the plastic getting sticky. Moving on to another Flash sandal. Check out this sick colorway with greens and cream and more beautiful suede and nubuck. This is also for sale, size 10.5 US. And finally, the only sneaker in this unboxing that comes with branded co-branding. I love this colorway. This has that softer midsole and I would love to keep them, but they are for sale. These are size 10.5 US. Okay, so let me know what do you think about these. Which one is your favorite? Let me know what do you think about the Oakley Flash. And if you have any questions, but thank you for watching.